welcome back to another episode. I remain your favorite tutor. Okay, continuation from where we stop. Simple harmonic motion. I have a question on the board. This one is very interesting. The period of a simple pendulum X is 5 seconds. What is the period of a simple pendulum Y, which makes 50 vibrations? In the same time, it takes X to make 20 vibrations. This is an SSCE question, and it's very simple. It is very simple. First of all, what is period? We have discussed this countless times in our previous videos. Those of you that are seeing your period, you also understand what I'm talking about. No big deal. So period is equals to what? Time taken over what? Number of oscillation. Period is what? Time taken over number of oscillation, time taken over number of vibration, time taken over number of what? Cycle, as the case may be. Okay. Now, from this statement right here, there's a statement right here, okay? It says, we are looking for what? What is the period of a simple pendulum Y? So we are looking for the period of the simple pendulum Y, which makes 50 vibrations in the same time. It takes X to make 20 vibrations. So the period of Y is equal to what? Time taken for Y to make what? 50 vibrations over number of what? Oscillation. So therefore, period of Y is equal to, that is time taken of Y to make what? 50 vibrations over number of oscillation is what? 50. So what is missing right here is the time taken for Y to make what? 50 vibrations. Once we get the time taken for Y to make 50 vibrations, we just divide and then we have an answer. But we're told right here that 50 vibrations in the same time it takes X to make 20 vibrations. These 50 vibrations, the time taken for Y to make 50 vibrations is equals to what? Time taken for X to make what? 20 vibrations. So we can easily get the time taken for X to make 20 vibrations. Then we equate it here, we divide, and then we have an answer. So let's go. Now, what is period? Period is what? Time taken over number of oscillations. So therefore, let us say this is period of X is equals to what? Time of X over number of oscillation. So therefore, we're told in the question that what? The period of a simple pendulum X is 5 seconds. That means the period for X to make one complete oscillation is what? 5 seconds. So the time taken for X, time taken is equals to, if we cross multiply right here, is equals to what? Period of X times what? Number of oscillation. So therefore, time taken is equals to, period of X is what? 5 seconds from the question, times what? Time taken for this is what? Sorry, number of oscillation is what? 1. So therefore, the time taken is equals to what? For one oscillation is equals to 5 seconds. Now, time taken for 20 oscillation for X, 20 oscillation will be equals to what? The period times what? Number of oscillation from this equation. So therefore, time taken for X for 20 oscillation is equals to the period for 1 is what? 5 times what? Number of oscillation is 20. So therefore, time taken for X for 20 oscillation is equals to what? 100 seconds. So therefore, we just substitute it right here. Period for Y is equals to what? Time taken for X for 20 oscillations over number of oscillations, which is what? 50. Therefore, period for Y is equals to time taken for X for 20 oscillations, that is what? 100 over what? 50. Therefore, the period for Y in this case is what? 2 seconds. You can see how simple it is. It is very simple. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this episode. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow for more. I remain your favorite tutor. Thank you and God bless you.